Hi students, in the previous recorded sessions we discussed about the basic rules to convert direct and indirect speech. Today also we shall be continuing with direct and indirect speech. As I told you, firstly you have to remove the inverted commas, and if the reported verb is in past tense, then the reported speech will also be in past tense. That is the second statement of the sentence, that is nothing but reported speech. And the first two words like he said, she said or they said. So if that is known as reported verb. If that reported verb is in present tense like he says or she says, then you have to, you need not to convert the tense of the given sentence. Okay? So these are the basic rules, and the pronoun also changes. So we shall look more about the direct and indirect speech. Now let me look at the first statement, that is present tense. Let me look at the present tense. Example, you can see, yes. She said, I work in a hospital. I work in a hospital. Who works in a hospital? See, the direct speech is always given in double inverted commas. While converting from direct to indirect speech, you have to remove the commas. First here, she said. As I told you, you have to insert the conjunction that between reported speech and reported verb. She said that. I changes to she. The reported verb said, they have given in past form, that is said. Hence, the tense of this sentence has to change it. She said that she worked in a hospital. See, the word work is a verb, that is an action word. So, this changes to she worked in a hospital. See, I have removed the double inverted commas, and also I have changed the tense of this sentence because the reported verb is given in past form. This is simple. Like you are converting simple present to past simple. Okay, let me take this one. Present simple to simple into past simple or simple past. You can use it either simple past or past simple. Example, they said, comma, double inverted commas, they said, we play football. We play football. Okay? Now you have to change. The reported verb is given in past form. So, they said that. We changes to they. They. Play changes to play football. See, all the rules have been following here. Like they said this is the reported, see, this is the reported verb and this is the reported speech. The first sentence of the statement they said is reported verb, and the sentence from here to here, like which is given in double inverted commas, that is reported speech, reported verb and reported speech. See here, present simple changes to past simple. Now we shall look into present progressive changes to continuous. See, the word progressive is nothing but the work which is in progress. So another word for continue. Present progressive changes into past progressive. Let me look at the first example. He said, I am waiting for someone. I am waiting for someone. Okay? See, the word waiting. Wait is a verb. So the word waiting suggests that he's been waiting for someone. Or the waiting suggests that the word wait is in continuous form due to the presence of ing. Example, I am dancing. It means that I am dancing right now. Okay? Or I am writing. It means I am writing right now. Like my work is in progress. So whenever the word ing is given, whenever the word ing is given in a verb, it means that the work is in progress. The work is in continuous. So he said, I am waiting for someone. You can change it to he said that. As I told you, you have to add the word that. He said that. Remove the inverted commas. I changes to he. Now the question is, we want to convert because I am waiting for someone. It is in present progressive. It changes to past progressive. He said that he was. And changes to was. He was waiting for someone. Wait for someone. Now we shall look at another example. She said she is driving a car. She said she is driving a car. She said the same. She said, you have to add the word that. She said that she is changes to was. She was driving a car. See, the four-wheelers, जैसे कि कार, bus or your lorry or tempo, these are all is driven. See? Drive. But when it comes to two-wheeler or a cycle, we say ride. I am riding a bike, but I am driving a car. That's the difference between ride and drive. Drive is always used for four-wheelers. Ride is always used for two-wheelers. जैसे कि your two-wheeler or your scooty or your bicycle. So bicycles are always rode and cars are always driven. Okay? That's the difference between drive and ride. So here she said she is driving a car. She said that she was driving a car because present progressive has to change into past progressive. Understood? So this is for the day. Make sure that you understand this one. Copy it in your notes. If you have any doubt, you can always contact me through WhatsApp. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.